Hello, everyone. This is Keith from the Pierce College Writing Center. I just want to show you um, about making an online appointment on our schedule and what that online appointment will look like once you get onto it. So, um, assuming that you have already registered on our booking system and you've logged in, then you'll be able to see at the top the two different schedules and make sure you choose the online schedule. And then go to find an appointment or make an appointment. The process is a little bit different now, so you choose the date that you want. And so that can be typed in there, or you can use the calendar icon to do that. You can choose then the time, if you have a particular time in mind, and then go find appointments and see if there are some. So you've got some perfect matches here, and you've got some nearby matches. So I'm just going to go ahead and reserve one of those, and I'm going to make it an hour. And then I'm going to, this is a very important window because you need to choose of the two, between the two different types of online appointments we have. We have live appointments where you meet online with the tutor, or you can schedule a written feedback appointment where you just upload your draft and the assignment instructions to the tutor, and the tutor will get back to you with written feedback. But I'm going to choose a live appointment because it's more fun to talk to somebody. And I'm going to choose the details here that I need to input and just not do all of them because I want to make it brief. So I'm not uploading my draft to the window at the moment. I'm not uploading the assignment prompt. But there's where you could do that. File attachments and create an appointment. Did it let me? Oh no, what didn't I do? Oh, what do I want? I want to brainstorm. Okay. So I've made the appointment, and I can go in and edit this, change it around if I want. But at the time of the appointment, then you want to click on this red button, start or join the consultation. It takes you to a new tab, and it opens up the window where you will meet the tutor. And the tutor will be there just like I am right now in the video that you can see. The tutor will be there too, or should be shortly, and then you can upload your paper to this whiteboard space or copy and paste it there so you can both see it. And that's pretty much the way it works. When you are done with the appointment and you're saying goodbye, all you need to do is close out that tab. Takes you back to the scheduling system. So that is how to get onto a live appointment. If you want to, let's say, edit that original appointment and create a written feedback appointment, you will need to upload your assignment draft and assignment prompt to the window so that the tutor has something to look at. And let's say you're making that appointment. Written feedback appointments are in green. And so after the time of the appointment, you can come back and download what the tutor has uploaded to you for written feedback, or the tutor may just email that to you as well. So that is the process for making our two types of online appointments at the Pierce College Writing Center. And we look forward to working with you sometime soon.